Hello, I'm Chris. This is Manny and Brad. We're with Republic Manufacturing, and we're here today to talk to you about our service and repair department. We're located centrally in Dallas, Texas, and we can repair a variety of pumps and blowers, not just the ones that we build, but from a number of other manufacturers. So Brad, I got a customer, he wants to get something repaired. What does he do?
So we'll have him fill out our RMA form, give him an RMA number, and have him send the pump in. From there, we'll kick it over to the shop so they can do the evaluation and repair once it's approved.
Okay, great. So Manny, walk me through an evaluation. What does that look like?
Once the evaluation hits the repair area, we will receive the pump and we'll go ahead and start disassembling. Disassembling, evaluated, trying to detect exactly what the cause of failure was and what's going to take for that unit to get back up to factory specs. And at that point, we'll write our evaluation and send it over to our quote department.
Okay, great. And I know we have a fee for that, so tell me about that.
Yeah, we have a $150 evaluation fee, and that gets applied to a repair. If it's not repairable, then it'll get applied to a purchase of a new unit.
So great, I'm not out the money, I can get a new one, or I can get it repaired. So let's say we make the decision to get it repaired. What's that look like?
Once we get the quote final and approved by customers, we'll start the cleaning process of the unit. Clean it, get everything nice and clean before we can put all the new components and parts that were ordered for this unit. And at that point, we'll put it together and then send it over to our test area.
Okay, so when you say components, change bearings?
Bearings, seals, all major components are damaged. Anything that we find that went wrong with this unit that needs to be able to get replaced to get it back to that factory spec.
Okay, and when you say testing, do we power it up?
Yes, everything gets powered up from low voltage to high, which is 230 to 575, to make sure that everything that we put back together is leaving the door with the highest quality as possible that we can get.
Okay, great. And so now I've got this repaired unit. How does it compare to a new unit?
So it's going to look basically brand new. We do factory rebuild, so it's going to have new parts and paint job at the end.
Excellent. So that's a little overview of our service and repair department. If you'd like to get something repaired, please contact us on the web. You can call our sales department. We'd love to take a look at your project. Thank you.